Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to create a screen recorder with the help of Python programming. So let's start the video. First of all, we need to install modules of Python with the help of pip. I have already installed the modules. You can also install that modules with these commands: pip install opencv-python, pip install pywin32, pip install numpy, pip install pyauto-gui. Next step, we need to import all the modules. Import cv2, import pyauto-gui. After that, we need to import system matrix function from Win32 API, which will be used for screen resolution. So from Win32 API, import system matrix. Then we need to import numpy as np. np is the short name of numpy. Then we need to import time module, because here we will give a duration in which the video should be recorded. So here we import all the modules that we need for this project. So the next step, start to create a code. First of all, we need screen resolution. So I created a variable which is called width underscore of underscore screen, which is equal to the getSystem matrix function, and under the brackets I write here 0. So width starts from 0. Then we need to height. So height underscore of underscore screen variable is equal to system matrix function, and under the brackets I write here 1. So the width of screen and height of screen variable is to record the whole screen. You can also write here the dimensions of the resolution. Then we created a variable called dimensions underscore of underscore screen, which is equal to width of screen, comma, height of a screen. Then we need to create a variable. We have to make in which format we want to make the video, like MP4, AVI or SD format that we are making inside. Then you have to give a format which is called xvid. So the variable video underscore format is equal to the cv2 module dot the function of cv2 is video writer underscore for cc, and under the bracket we will write here star and the format name is xvid. It captures the video you have, AVI, MP4, SD and all in it. Then we need to create a variable to save the output of this recording. So output is equal to cv.videowriter, and under the bracket write the path where to save the output. I am right here recorded.mp4, comma, then which format do you use? I am writing a variable name video underscore format, comma, then write here frames per second. I am writing 30.0 frames per second, comma, and write the video dimensions that you want. I write here the variable called dimensions of screen. After that I will create a variable and now underscore time, here in which we will see what is the time happening now. So the variable now time is equal to time.time. After that we will see how much time the video should be recorded for. So the variable video underscore duration is equal to 20 seconds. Now your video won't be full 20 seconds because the code will take 3 to 4 seconds to run. So you can write +4 or more here. After that we will give the end time of the video. So end underscore time is equal to now underscore time plus video underscore duration. This is all for the time set. Now we will talk about the video. That is how to record the video. So we need to create a loop. If while is true. First of all, I am creating a variable named image inside which pyauto-gui is doing the screenshot taking. After that we have to create a frame in which all these screenshots will be converted into a video. So the variable video underscore frame is equal to the np.array function. This function creates an array containing whatever you want to store it. I am storing the image variable inside it. Then we need to set a color in this image with the cv2 function. So the variable frame underscore color is equal to cv2.cvt color function, and we pass here variable video underscore frame and set the color cv2 dot color underscore pgr to rgb function. This function saves the original color of the screen. Now we want to output. For that we will write here output dot write function, and under bracket we pass frame underscore color. Now we need to end the loop with the help of the current time. So current underscore time is equal to the time. After that we will give the condition here. If current time is greater than end time, then stop the while loop with the break function. Now I have to release this video. For this we will use the release function. After that I will print a message that will tell us that the video has been made. So run the program. You can see our program has successfully run. After 20 seconds it will stop automatically. You can see we received the message that tells us our video is complete. Now check the video. You can see our video is successfully made. So that's it in this video. If you like the video, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.